Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on simple equations. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? A gentleman decided to treat a few children in the following manner. He gives half of his total stock of toffees and one extra to the first child, then half of the remaining stock along with one extra to the second and continues giving away in this fashion. His total stock exhausts after he takes care of 5 children. How many toffees were there in his stock initially? This question we can do it in two different ways. One, working backwards starting from fifth child. Another is writing down equations starting from the total toffees in the beginning. We'll try both approaches. See, after giving to the fifth child, his stock got exhausted means he's left with nothing. The number of toffees is left with is 0. But please remember how much he has given to the fifth one. Half of the stock plus one extra. Because he's giving one extra, he's left with nothing. Had he not given one extra, he would have been left with one toffee. He would have been left with one toffee had he given half the total stock. Means if you had given half, he will be left with half. That half is one means before giving him he had two toffees. You can check if he had two toffees, half will be one plus another one he has given two. That's why he's left with 0. So before giving fifth child, he had two toffees, but this is after giving something to the fourth child. How many had given to the fourth child? Again, half plus half of the stock plus one extra, half of the remaining stock plus one extra. So had he not given this one extra, that one extra would have been left with him. Then he would have had 3. He would have had 3 had he shared half. If he shared half, he retains half. That half is 3 means before giving him at 6. So that is after giving something to the third child. Again, third child, half of the remaining stock plus one extra had given. Again, had he not given one extra, that one extra would have been with him 7. 7 after sharing half means before sharing half, you would have had 14. This is after giving something to the second child. Again, second child has given half the stock plus one extra. Had he not given this one extra, you would have had 15. 15 after giving half of the stock to the second child means before giving the second child, he had 30. This 30 after giving half of what he had plus one extra to the first child, had he not given this one extra, he would have been left with 31 means after sharing half, he would have left with 31. Before giving the first child, how many he had? 62. The total number of toffees originally with him is 62. This is working backwards. Another approach could be, let the total number of toffees x. To the first one, he had given half the stock plus one extra. First one, he had given half the stock plus one extra means how many is left with now? X minus x by 2 will be x by 2 minus 1. To the second child, again he had given half of the stock plus 1 extra means half of the stock will be x by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 extra. That is nothing but x by 4 minus 1 by 2. Like this, if you keep, plus 1 by 2. Like that, if you keep writing the series, if you can try for one more student, what you will be having is, to the first child he has given x by 2 plus 1. You can see to the second child is giving finally minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2. So second child is giving x by 4 plus 1 by 2. To the third one, if you see the sequence, he will be giving x by 8 plus 1 by 4. To the fourth one, he will be giving x by 16 plus 1 by 8, and to the fifth child it will be x by 32 plus 1 by 16. If you want, you can check one or two more examples, because we cannot afford to write all 5. If you start writing all 5 like this equation, how much is given, how much is left over, how much is given, how much is left over, means it takes a lot of time. You need to see the pattern. So when I add all of them, that should be equal to the total toffees he had originally, that is x. So if you try to equate, if you can add them, x by 2 plus x by 4 plus and so on, if you add, it will be LCM is, if when you add them, it will be 31 x by 32 plus when you add this, it will be 31 by 16. If you add all of them, that will be equal to x. If we simplify, it goes the other side, it will be x by 32 equals to 31 by 16, 16, 1, 16, 2. So if you simplify, you'll get x equals to 62. So the total toffees is 62. This is another way of solving the question. Thank you.